Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about places you can go to get transcriptionist jobs. Now, I know that's a little bit outside of what we normally talk about, but I figured that there are people in this world who don't actually have immediate income. And sometimes an affiliate marketing or trying to create online income can sometimes take a little bit of time. However, if you want immediate income, you need immediate money coming in, then these jobs could very well be just up your alley and exactly what you need to get started until you have built your business. So we're going to be talking about transcriptionist work and the three that I found for beginners. So stick around to the end because I have a really cool tip for you that'll help speed your process up. You know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So, if you're interested in that, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Alright, now here we are at a place called Transcribe Me. And we're in the job section here. Now, let's have a look at what you can get from this. Now, this is actually one of the highest paid places you can go to, and the best part about it is you don't need to have experience. All of these are for beginners, so you'll find that these will be newbie friendly and for beginners. All they want you to do is have good listening skills, good typing skills, and you should be able to do this pretty quickly. Now, the pay is between $15 to $22 an hour for every audio hour. That is not every hour. And their top earners can earn up to $2,200 on average. But the average person will earn approximately $250 a month, whereas their top earners will earn $2,200 a month, which is really good. They do training as well, so we're leading work from home employers thanks to our intuitive platform, regular payouts and steady work stream. Joining doesn't cost a penny. All you need to get started is a reliable internet and computer. So if you fit that criteria, which I think most of you do if you're watching this video, highly likely you do if you have a laptop or a desktop. However, you might find it a bit more difficult if you have just a handheld device. If you have experience in the legal field or in the medical field, you'll actually have a much better chance of getting higher paid work. And you'll find that will get you more income, which will put you into the higher $2,200 a month bracket. So that is called Transcribe Me. Also with this, you can work from anywhere around the world, 24 hours a day, and you can also set your own hours, which is really cool. So let's go have a look at site number 2. Now here we are at site number 2. It's called Rev. Now Rev has a lot of flexibility and it creates a flexible work schedule, and their freelancers are allowed to work anywhere they want. Of course, you can choose from hundreds of jobs because they've got hundreds of jobs going, so you won't run out of work and you'll never get bored, which is really cool. And you get paid weekly, which is awesome. Now, what do you actually get financially out of this? Well, you listen to audio. If you're doing just the transcriptionist work, you'll listen to audio, and then if you accurately type what's being said, you then label speakers, and you can then get paid between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, which means that for every minute someone's listening, or I should say for every audio minute that's played, you get paid between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. And they're usually short bursts of maybe 1 or 2 minutes. From that short 1 or 2 minutes that you have, what'll happen is you get paid for that 1 or 2 minutes that you have typed up. But don't worry, stick around to the end. We have a little little trick that'll help speed your process up. It's pretty cool. Now if you decide to become a captioner, you get to watch a video, you accurately type what's being said, and of course you convey that sounds and sync type the audio, and that is ranging between 54 cents and $1.10. You get paid weekly, and qualifications, well, there's no experience necessary, which is awesome, and the rate of pay is pretty good. And there's a high availability for work, so you get lots of opportunities to get work on this one. They have a large network of around 60,000 freelancers, as well as 100,000 worldwide clients. People like Google, Amazon, Facebook, the big name places. So you know you're dealing with quality. So make sure you'll have hundreds of opportunities for you to be able to make sure you can earn the money that you want to be able to earn. So let's have a look at transcriptionist place number 3. Okay, now transcriptionist place number 3 is called Go Transcribe. Now Go Transcribe is an Australian-based one, and what you do is you go down here and you get paid between 60 cents to roughly about $150 a month to about $1,215 a month. Now, once again, you don't need any experience, and you get paid weekly through PayPal, but the amount of work available is about medium, so it's not a huge availability, but there is still a lot of work that you can grab from here. My suggestion would be, is once you get one of these jobs and you get good at one of them, you apply for other ones. Now, the best part about this one is these guys also give you training, and you can go to their training area to practice and so forth. You can go to the training tests and then train on their audio. Now, I have to say, with this, it's much easier if you have a foot pedal to do any of these jobs. Get yourself a foot pedal. You can get a foot pedal for around about $150. You can get them on Amazon, transcriptionist foot pedals. You can get them from places like Amazon, eBay, or anywhere like that. And you can order them, plug them into your computer, and then just make sure you have good headphones. You have to have good headphones because you need to be able to hear exactly what's being said. Now, I have to say, when I listened to this, it was really hard to understand, and it was really quiet. Now, my hearing's not the best anyway, but this was really bad. I have to say that the quality of the audio is not good. But if you can master these guys, you'll be able to fit into any one of these other ones. And the best part about it is, if one doesn't have any work, you can always go to the other one and choose getting work from them. So there's always opportunities for you to get work when you need it, and you can work anytime or anywhere you want. And once again, these guys pay weekly. Now let's go and have a look at tip number 1. Now, to help you out with your transcribing, what I would highly recommend you do, when you get your audio, you download the audio, and then you come to somewhere like Otter.ai. Now, if you've been a member of my site for any length of time, you know I love Otter.ai. Now, all you need to do is you can import the audio, wait for it to do the transcribing for you. Then all you have to do is listen back through the audio. Now let's have a look at what that looks like. You won't be able to hear this because my audio won't be able to pick up on the computer one. But what it does is it reads it out for you as the person is speaking. And then all you have to do is type and fix up any mistakes. Now you can also edit it so as it has, you can make rematch speaker, and you can export the audio, and let's have a listen to what it's like.
Hello and welcome to video number 8.
So I don't know how much of that you heard, because I know that my microphone doesn't always pick up on computer speaker. However, that is one of the tips. Now I'm going to give you tip number 2. Well, tip number 2 to help you with your transcribing job is to use Grammarly. Now, Grammarly is really powerful because if you know anything about Grammarly, it helps you with so many different things. I use Grammarly every single day. It helps me with my punctuation, my grammar. It helps me if I'm writing something and it looks wrong, it'll actually help me and let me know where I'm going wrong and what I'm sounding like and so forth. And I've got the free version. So, however, I would suggest if you are going to be doing this as a paid job, then I might suggest you go up and you try going for the premium. Let's have a look at that. Let's just look at the pricing for that right now. We go down and we can have a look at that. So annually, it works out to be $12 a month or $144 a year. If you want to do it quarterly, oopsie-daisy, quarterly is $20 a month. So it works out to be, $60, and obviously monthly is around $30 a month. So obviously as you go up, it gets cheaper for you. So that is tip number 2, making sure you use something like Grammarly to be able to help you be able to really do the work that you're getting paid to do. And this way you are doing a good job and you can then go to higher paid levels once you get more experience. Okay guys, if you are needing immediate income, needing immediate money, then this is perhaps the best way you can go to be able to get some money straight away if you don't have any work. And with the pandemic that we've had, I know there are still a lot of people who haven't got any work going. So this could well be the answer you have that you need to be able to help bring in some income straight away. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these sites. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.